Today we're going to be going over a Swing Katana true hyper for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be getting into the first true hyper kick for the UTC. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your pop shuriken snap hyper. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. Real quick, I just want to apologize for this. It's still pretty smoky out here. So we now know what a false hyper is and we know what a snap hyper is. Now we're moving on to true hypers. So a true hyper is a term to define a hyper kick that is landed on the kicking leg. This is the most commonly known way to do a hyper kick. And this move is going to help you out a lot with understanding how it should feel when you swipe your leg across for any true hyper katana skills later on. The most well-known tricks that this is going to be good for are side swipes and 540 kicks. So let's go ahead and break this move down. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a front side stance looking at your target. You're going to bring your swing leg up, throw your inside crescent kick, jump around 180 degrees, landing on the kicking leg, and finishing the move in a backside stance. Now don't forget, you can do this with a spin, you can do it with a follow through at the end, and you can do it with a spin and follow through together. And these are all good variations to learn if you're going to want to combo this move later on. As for tips, you want to make sure that you're really focusing on like swiping the leg through, like that swipe. So for an example, you can kind of like lay down like this, bring this leg up and swipe it across like that. That kind of helps out a lot. So fast motion would be like boom. As for progressions, you're going to want to make sure that you have your Swing Katana snap hyper. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. And I'm also curious, what are you guys going to be using this Swing Katana true hyper for? Is it to progress to a 540 kick, or are you just using it to master the curriculum? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you're doing with this. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons that are supporting this curriculum. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe because it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz.